Hello! To find articles using Psychology and Behavioral Sciences collection Ebsco for your psychology course, please start by visiting the library's website and click on Databases. You can either go to P for Psychology, or you can go to All Subjects and narrow it down by Psychology. 9 databases come up, but we're going to focus on Psychology and Behavioral Sciences collection Ebsco, as it's listed as one of your best bets. With all these databases, you will first need to log in using your student ID number and password. Once you log in, you should be logged in for the duration of your research session. What's great about Ebsco databases is that you can search multiple databases at once using the Choose Databases feature. You can select as many of these databases as you like and click OK. For now, we're just going to select Psychology and Behavioral Sciences collection. If you already have a topic, you can go ahead and search it directly in the box here. I'm going to put in my topic keyword of emerging adulthood. With this database, I like to put in my keyword, my general topic idea, then browse the results. We have over 400 results. I look to see if my keyword is recognized as a subject term in this database. Under each result, you will see subject terms. While emerging adulthood is not recognized as a subject term, I'm seeing some other terms that might be useful for this search, particularly in this 5th result. Personality development, young adults, age differences, personality change, and so on. These are all great terms that I would write down and utilize to redo my search. In fact, we can even keep emerging adulthood as a keyword, then add some of these terms to narrow it down. I'm going to go ahead and use personality development as another keyword. That narrows my search results down to 10 results, which is not very many. One way we can increase the number of results is to modify our keywords. So instead of personality development, which is really specific, I'm going to take away development to broaden the search. So instead of 10 results, we now have 70 results. At this point, 70 is too many. So one thing we can do is modify it, understanding that personality is recognized as a subject term. We can go ahead and search it as a subject term. Searching as a subject term will narrow your results down, while searching as a keyword will increase the number of items you get in your results list. By making personality a subject term, we got 36 results, but we're still not done. Our results are from 2003 to 2019. We really want to narrow that down to the last 10 years. So I'm going to type in 2010, and now we have 27 results. Is your professor asking you to only search for scholarly articles? If so, you can also click on academic journals to narrow that down further. 26 results. I'd like to now offer you some tips on how to navigate these results once you've narrowed it down to a good number. First, I like to look at the subjects. They not only help you with getting ideas and with improving your search, but they also tell you exactly what the article is going to be about. Another way to determine what the article is about is to look at the abstract. If you click on this magnifying glass icon and scroll down, the abstract is right there. This abstract is a short summary of what the article is going to be about. So you can read this quick paragraph and determine if this is going to be useful for your research. If so, you can get the article straight away from HTML or PDF right here, or you can click on it for more information and some additional tools. More information for your citation is located here, your HTML and PDF are here, your abstract is here. You'll also notice this toolbar where you can save things to Google Drive, print, email, save, and cite. If you click on the citation function, it will show you various citation formats. However, these are machine-generated citations, so make sure to double check the machine's work. If you have any other questions about research or how to use the library databases, please feel free to contact us. We're happy to help.